Good morning, guys. Another video where I'll be giving my thoughts on Bitcoin. We'll go over the higher time frames, what I think about this last weekly. We have a lot to talk about, and then we'll also go over the lower time frames, give you guys some trade ideas that I'm watching for the coming week. All right. First thing first, thanks to the sponsor of these videos, which is Prime XBT. The link is in the description. Prime XBT, an online exchange where you can trade commodities, indices, crypto, and Forex. Yeah, lovely exchange. Been with them for a couple of years already. Still love them. I'll have a link in the description, which you can use as well as a promo code to get up to $7,000 in bonus. Okay, so also leave a like on the video. That helps me a lot. Subscribe to the YouTube. Yeah, all the usual stuff. Okay, now Bitcoin. So in the previous videos, right, we were always talking about this weekly range, right? And we said, is this a deviation below range low, or is this a breakdown, retest, and we're going lower? What we wanted to see was essentially a break back above this weekly range low. That the move from last week here was a good sign, but yeah, unfortunately, as you can see, weekly, boom, smashed back down, closed ugly. Daily, initially closed above, but typically when you get stuff like this, where you then get another sweep of the high and then straight back down below the level and close back below, then this can be considered as a sweep, just a grab for liquidity to send price lower. Okay, so to be honest, on the higher time frames, it's pretty hard to get really bullish at these prices purely based on TA. What I would want to see is this deviation or this sweep to get invalidated. So what is going to be the level that we have to reclaim? That's still going to be this weekly range low. If we start breaking back above here, close some dailies above here, and especially the weekly, then again I think we'll be trading higher. Okay, so for this move last week, I took a scalp long on the retest because I thought things could still turn around. Took a stop out on that one. That's all fine. And yeah, the trade simply got the idea of breaking back inside range got invalidated. So for me to get bullish again on Bitcoin, especially on the higher time frames, I would want to see a break back above this level. Okay. Does that mean I'm straight up shorting this? No. So we dumped, took liquidity below these swing lows, okay, into the level, the breakout level, the demand area right here. This was the sideways price action that led to, so sideways led to boom. Also, you could call this a breaker, right? Sideways price action, breakdown, broke back above. People who were accumulating shorts here got out, which resulted in buying pressure. So and that area is acting as support right now as well. Okay, so what am I looking for here? I think we could see some upside here just to test some higher levels again. Grab some liquidity to the upside, especially towards this level. Okay, so 17.26 is a key level in my opinion. As you can see, initial high, sweep, retest, rejected, 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 and then smashed back above. When it came back down, acted as support and then smashed back below, resulting in more downside. So I might be looking for scalp longs towards that level, but what I want to see is another sweep of the lows. We have this initial key swing low here, but also this sweep didn't lead to the sweep of that low, so I want to see a lower sweep. So something like this, boom, take out that liquidity into this area, right? Then reclaim, look for longs towards that level. Okay, and then at that point If we do something like this, break back below, look to get out ASAP, look for shorts towards lower targets here and potentially even this key swing low. So I think the chances of us bouncing significantly from here towards new local highs, yeah, I don't believe that will happen. So I think we are mainly looking for shorts towards lower targets, but I'm looking for low time frame long entries on some sweeps of the lows. Okay, so if we get something like this, look to long it, invalidation below that area, and target up here. If you see weakness, look to close longs and flip short back towards the lows. Okay, quick look at the liquidation levels. As you can see, clean clusters of liquidity resting here, here, and then up here, and right below the lows. So that supports the idea. If we see downside from here, take that liquidity, boom, the draw will be major to the upside, at least towards local highs, so towards about right here. Okay, so long, look to get out a portion at least around 17.1, around somewhere around there, and then hold some in case we go for these clusters above. And then once we've taken those, look to flip short back towards the lows. All right, I hope that makes sense. I hope you enjoyed the video. Any questions, feel free to ask. Leave a like, leave a sub, and thanks to PrimeXBT, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.